Hi, my name is Patrick James F. Orian. I will be presenting the YouTube app. Here is the logo for the YouTube app. It signifies the play button and the eye-catching red display. YouTube allows users to upload, watch, share, comment on, and interact with video content. It also serves as platform for both professional and amateur creators to distribute videos on various topics, including entertainment, education, music, gaming, tutorials, and more. I will be demonstrating you the key features of a YouTube app. Here you can go to home page. You can also create your channel and view your channel. You can also change the language of the text. There is a TikTok-like feature here in YouTube, which is called Shorts. And the third column is the subscribe channels. You can also see your history and playlist. You can also create playlists and your created video and your watch later videos. They That's all. Thank you.